Hey guys, I am making this video because I am obsessed with productivity and I've watched a lot of Asana tutorials and videos on workflows, and a lot of them leave some of the best parts about Asana out. So I'm in Asana every day. I've been using it for years since starting my business. I've tried out a ton of different software for productivity and this one is the best. It's my favorite and I will use the word obsessed again. And P.S. I am not an affiliate for Asana, so I've got no reason to lie to you. So I'm going to share the screen with you and show you how I do it. So first of all, when I create a new project in Asana, I always make boards instead of lists. So here, let's create a new project and I'll show you. Test project, and we're not going to click list, we're going to click board. And the reason for that is that you can kind of use it like a Kanban board and move a task throughout the column. So let's name this column inline. Whoops. And then call the task do this. And just to show you what this looks like, I'll go to one of my active projects. And this is a task I'm holding and I'm moving it through the different columns. So I might want to pull something from inline or today's chronological list over to currently working on. These are some examples of some other columns that I have. You know, and you pull them all into today's list, and then you might want to pull it into currently working on so you can stay focused. Okay, so the other thing about tasks themselves, it's nice that everything's all in one place. You can put comments like this on it, and then other things like the attachments and subtasks and links and everything is just all in one place as opposed to being scattered throughout different emails, notebooks, and lists. So the other thing is this cuts my planning time in half because I don't have to rewrite my tasks every day. So some of the tasks are recurring, like email and read open tabs. There's certainly a lot of tabs to read. And, you know, a part of me likes writing down my tasks every day, but the other part of me likes just having a lot of extra time. So the other thing is it can be pretty overwhelming. If you can see right here, this is a project that I'm still scared of. This is so overwhelming to look at. Like, look how many tasks are in line. It's crazy. So speaking of, I recently read this book called The One Thing by Gary Keller, and it's helped me realize that a lot of things, you know, I might have a lot of lists, but none of them are prioritized, as you could see in that last calendar. So if you look at mine, this is my active list, simplified daily list, and this is the calendar portion of it. You can see that all of these things are prioritized. I have one or two, maybe sometimes three different things prioritized. The color-coded calendar is definitely my favorite part about this. So these three columns, these are projects that I have, main projects, and let's add a task to this one project. This is how you prioritize a task in Asana. You add a tag, and you can do any tag you want. That tag has a light blue color to it. So we put a due date on it. So a tag and a due date, go back to the calendar, and it's going to show you show the weekends because we always work weekends. And then you can see it right there in the calendar. So these are all the prioritized tasks each day. Those are the one tasks I focus on to get done. So as you can see, you can also add new teams. And it's really easy to add a team member. You just put in their email and they get an invite via their email. You can use the search bar for different tasks. That's every task with the word email in it. The other thing is you can go in here and assign it to people. Let's face it, these are usually going to be assigned to yourself, so there you go. And that's it for the screen flow. It's amazing. I love it. Thank you for watching all the way through this video. Put in the comment section what your favorite part about Asana is. If you have any questions about Asana, I'm totally down to answer them. All you have to do is put in a comment and then I will respond to the comment because I'm a human and I can do that kind of stuff. I guess robots can too. I put out new videos like this every Tuesday and Friday, and they're all to help out artists and creative entrepreneurs. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. It genuinely helps me out. Enjoy the rest of your day.